Okay, test. What is up, everybody? It's me, George, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Five Nights at Sonic's in Scratch. If you don't know what Scratch is, it's kind of like a programming website for kids, and you use blocks. A lot of people make very talented games. So today I'm going to show you how to make a FNAF game. Did I say Five Nights at Sonic's? No, FNAF game. So firstly, delete the cat, and then add a new background, click on paint, and then make a black backdrop. Just name it. Oh wait, you can name it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my characters already, so we don't need you. No, I'm gonna make a Five Nights at Sonic's game. Okay, so we have our four main. Let's actually let's actually go back and let's get more. I made a project. I made a project with all of these. I'll put the link to it in the description. So wait, let me open my backpack. Let me put the toy mare, and then the FNAF 3 DLC. FNAS. Sorry, FNAS. Then I'm gonna take this golden Sonic. Okay. So let's go back here. Let's open it. So put this. Okay, so here we have everyone. Have the Wither toys, golden. Oh yeah, I forgot about the toy mare. Okay, now I think we have everybody. So I'll have 9 animatronics in total. That is insane. So wait, what am I doing? Delete. So I'm gonna hide these characters, and now create a new sprite and call it. Wait. Oh. Warning text. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. So, calling it text. I forgot about the other T. So, make a square. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do this bottom. Okay, might as well just do this. So, for the warning text, we're gonna write. So, let's do sheriff for the text, and let's do warning. This game contains flashing lights, loud noises, and lots of jump scares. If you're a minor, you might need to leave. between like let's say 5 to 7. Okay. Wait, this actually looks so cool. So, let's do the programming. So, when green flag is clicked, you're gonna go to 0, 0. By the way, your scratch will not look like this. I have this thing called scratch add-ons. Yeah. I think I'm gonna change the color of the background. Custom. Holy wait. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that right now. So, set the ghost effect to 100. Now this set ghost effect right here, it's how transparent will the warning text be. Also, do a hide just in case. So now, repeat 100 times. Set ghost effect to -3. Wait, what is or 3? Oh, it's change ghost effect by 3. No, it's -3. Wait. Wait, isn't negative or is it? Yeah, it's negative. It's negative. Wait, show. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Sorry, guys. It was a show, not a hide. Now, there's two things you can do. You can put a wait. And you can put how many seconds you want. But I'm going to do something else. I'm going to go to control right here. And I'm going to do wait until mouse down. This will make it so that if you click the screen, it'll change. So now what you want to do is just wait. Where's redo? Redo. Want to duplicate it? Change it by 3. Then hide, and then broadcast new message. Main menu. So, make a new sprite and call it main character. Now, I'm not gonna create my own character. I have these Five Nights at Sonic's character, and I haven't made a Five Nights at Sonic's game in a very long time. So, I'm gonna put our Sonic. Let me hide it. Now, there are two. You can make him like, you can resize him, but I'm just gonna make his size to 200 or 150. Yeah, I just need to size him. Okay, that's a little bit too big. That's a bit too small. Wait. Yeah, I can't. Wait. Let me make it super small. Can I do 200? I said, can't I do 200? 200. 92. Yeah, just, guys, just resize him. Resize him. Okay, that's a bit too big. Okay, I'm gonna make him, how about size 70? I said 70! How big do I have to do this big chungus? Okay, just a tiny bit bigger will work. Perfect. Perfect. Don't do this serious. Just make the size to 200. Type here 200 and then just resize them a bit bigger. But I accidentally made a mistake. So I'm gonna move them a bit more like this, okay? So we're done with this. Now what we have to do is a main menu song. So I'm gonna delete this. Let's go back to my Five Nights at Sonic's. Now, by the way, I'm going to keep this project with the Five Nights at Sonic's only for a month. So today is 27th of February when I'm making this. So that means that I'll remove it on 27th, on March 27th. Actually, no. Yeah, I'll remove it in 1st April. On April 1st, I'm gonna remove this. Okay? So be careful. If you can't find it, you can just scroll and you can find it here. Ignore this one. Ignore it, please. So yeah, you can find it between here. So yeah. Let's go back to it. So let's open it. Now let's go to the sounds. I don't know, bro. I don't. Okay. Okay, so open it. Okay. By the way, this is not made by me. This vector pack is not made by me, by the way. Just to let you guys know. Now go to sounds. Now you can download it. You can if you wanna like import stuff with like in your files, look, there's a button here, upload asset, upload, but I'm not gonna do that. There's this backpack thing at the bottom. You can drag anything, any sprite, anything from a game, and you can just put it in there. I might do that with the static. I might have to do that. So we have the sound. Now Mama make it so that green flag is clicked. Hide. Then when I receive main menu, duplicate. Now be careful, if you're using Scratch, look, you duplicate it, put it like this, it's gonna happen. So be careful of that. So now I'm gonna duplicate this menu thing. Now if I remember correctly, let's go back to Scratch for a bit. Now I don't know why back then when like I started making FNAF games on Scratch, when it's a Fredbears, no. Wait. The thing is, when I started making FNAF games, I made a FNAF 2 game. Oh, ignore that one. Five Nights at, Sonic's a broken memory. FNAS, Five Nights at Sonic's. Yeah, I tried. Trust me, I tried. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Now, I was going to make a video on making a FNAF game on Scratch. Making a FNAF 2 game. But you see, it was kind of buggy at first. Like, see, it's super damn buggy. Like, what is this? Like, look. And look. Like, what is this? So, yeah, I'll be making it later. Now, forever play until done. Stop other spray. Oh, okay. Oh, I kind of forgot how to do the menu thing, so yeah, I'm gonna keep this open. So, let me show you something. Forever and repeat until empty are the same blocks, it's just that repeat until works better. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the repeat until. Play sound, yeah, menu until done. Now, okay. Now I'm already gonna make a new message and call it newspaper. Now I'm only doing this already because I want to make it when I receive newspaper. Where is it? Stop other scripts in the sprite. Now we have our main character, right? Now you can make him twitch. If you want to make him twitch, you have to duplicate this, change him and stuff. But I made him a bit too big, plus I don't really feel like I want to make him twitch. So I'm just gonna keep him like this. Now let's go back to Scratch. I said Scratch. I said Scratch. Thank you, finally. Now let's go to my profile. What is it? FNAF game. Wait, I'm gonna change. Holy Jesus. Wait, where's my game? I made. What? Hold on. Oh, there it is. Five Nights at Fredbear's 83. So, let's go in. Now, the static. So I'm gonna drag this into here. Let's go back. We can close you. Now, let's add a new sprite. Okay, let's go to code and delete. Yes, 131 blocks, by the way. For the static, make it so that when the green flag is clicked, it will hide. And then when I receive 6 a.m. Oh, shoot. Wait, can I delete them? Brother, how many messages? Animatronic move to check layer, death, main menu, newspaper, night. Holy. I should have deleted the blocks. No, let's just receive menu if I remember. No, main menu. Yeah, main menu. Now receive main menu. You want it to show, then this is gonna be the static noise. We're gonna use it when we're gonna when you change the cameras, it'll be like staticky for a second. So make it so that set the ghost effect to 75. That's perfect. And then forever, I'm gonna say forever even though it's a repeat until. Next costume, I guess. Next costume. Why am I saying I guess? I know how to program, bro. Next costume. See? So it repeats until, because it's empty, it's repeat until nothing. Okay. So, let's try the game. So warning, this game contains flashing lights on noisy hits and lots of jump scares. If you're a minor, you might need to leave. Okay, wait, I'm gonna make the ghost effect to 75 so that I can see. So I said create a new sprite. Create a new sprite and call it title. Now make mine white. I'm gonna just keep it like this. So 5 nights. So or wait. What should I do? Uh the security at Sonic's. Now I'm just gonna do 5 nights at Sonic's, the forgotten memories. Wait. So basically, it's Five Nights at Sonic's, and like, how is it called? The So basically, everybody forgot about the pizzeria and stuff. And I know I should kind of make like ignited version of these guys, but I think I'm good. So this one has to be the easiest to program. When green flag is clicked, hide, and when I receive main menu, show. Now let's try it out. By the way, that says at the corner, it says in between like what age you can be. Like if you're below like 5, you can play. Yeah, I should probably type that in the warning text. By the way. Okay, I fixed it. Okay, maybe not 5 plus. Maybe not 5 plus, but let me make the static. Oh wait, it's already set. I can use sprite and call it new game. Now, one thing that people mostly do is add a continue button. But the continue button won't really matter because it still sends you to night one. It doesn't save like in FNAF. And I know I can make it so that after you win a night, it sends you back to the menu. You have to click continue, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna make it that it instantly just sends you through the next night. So yeah. Okay. Make a new sprite. New game. And then duplicate and then add like, what should we add? New game question mark? And then I'm gonna make an X. That will be pixel be right in the corner. So, this one is not really challenging. When green flag is clicked, hide, then when green flag is clicked, if then, touching mouse pointer, switch the costume 2, and then switch the costume 1. Now, look what happens. Oh, I need to do forever. But there's one thing though. I'm gonna make a square, right? I'm gonna make a square. Oh, I can't make it transparent though. Yeah. Oh wait, what am I doing? Wait, let me do it. If Oh yeah, let's just keep it like that. If or actually, wait, I have an idea. Okay. What am I saying? So this is a way how to do it. Another way how to do it is a more complex version, but I forgot that complex version where it goes behind the static, but you can somehow still click it. So this one is pretty easy. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast. Oh, newspaper. I already made one. And then when I receive newspaper, stop other scripts in this sprite and put it on the static, on the title, and now let's also add a hide to this. Wait, why am I giving it to Sonic? Delete. Delete. So let's try them out. Age of these games 5 plus, and I'm not 6 through 9. There's a bug. Oh, I forgot to show. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? When I receive main menu, show. Finally. Okay, now boys. This was kind of different than this one, but anyway. Now we have our new game. So, let's make a new sprite and let's call it newspaper. Newspaper. Now to make a newspaper, you're gonna make a white square. Then how I like to do it is making a black box right here and another one right here. But keep the space, cause you're gonna add these thingies. It kind of look like it's like a different subject, a different story or whatever. So help wanted. Okay, help wanted. Now let's go back. Now I'm going to erase. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, that looks good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a dark gray, and now I'm gonna change him to look dark gray. But this thing is so tiny. Okay, so now we have our Sonic. Okay. So then you can just put whatever text you want. The popular location. Sonic's Hero Palace. No, Sonic's Hero Pizzeria is reopening. Why did I add a dash? Opening with new animatronics. But this place needs a night guard. Da. A week call for application. Just the most random phone number of all time. So invert, swap, and just make it like this. Okay, not so that it looks super dark. So after, so when green flag is clicked, hide, and I receive main menu. Joe. And then practically it's the same thing from, it's kind of the same thing from the warning text, honestly. It's just that you change it to this, and then broadcast night screen. I know I typed screen wrong. So it kind of works. Let's try out the game, I guess. So let's try it out. What did I do wrong? No, when I, oh my gosh, no, not when I receive main menu. When I receive newspaper. Okay. Oh, it works. Yes. W. So, wait. Oh wait. Wait, I accidentally moved the block. Okay. Now, for the backdrops, you wanna duplicate, 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 duplicate. So this is night 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and night 6 is just gonna be a custom night because I don't want to add the night 6 in general, because night 6 is just a little bit harder than night 5. So with pixel, I'm gonna write night 1. So night 1. So I'm gonna make the text kind of big. 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Oh wait, no, actually. So wait, duplicate. Change this to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now make an delete. So make a new variable and call it night. 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 Where is it? Number. So hide it and then hide it. So this is the video for today, guys. I will be making one very soon. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, peace, guys.